Hi everyone, I'm back with another video. Today we are just going to unbox this Android and PC Endoscope camera. In simple word, it's a micro camera for smartphones. This camera is designed for those areas where your cell phone camera cannot go, like a tiny areas like a wash basin, sink, and some kind of power extensions. If you want to find something backside of the drawer, if you want to look something if you forgot or you drop something there, this camera can go in those tiny areas. So let's start the unboxing of the device. Before unboxing, let's just read the major description of this one. Comes with a 720p high resolution camera lens, which comes with a 6 LED bright light. This is a night vision camera, so that's why they give the 6 LED lights in this one. You can adjust the focus distance of this one around 3 cm to 8 cm. Waterproof level is a IP67. So let's just open the box. This is the main camera manual. This comes with the micro USB to USB, so if you want to connect this camera with the PC or any other device which is compatible with the USB, you can use. And what else? This is some kind of other instruments like a clips they are giving if you want to fix somewhere. So this is the manual. According to the manual, it's a waterproof camera which is compatible with the Android XP Windows 97. Resolution is a 720p. Frame per second is a 30 frames per second. Waterproof IP67. So it's a waterproof. If you want to use this camera inside the sink or any waterproof area, you can use this one. And this is the major things how to use the camera, and the most important thing is the AN98 camera app, which you can directly download from the Android store. This application is not available on Apple store because this camera is not compatible with the Apple devices. So this is the main thing, the camera, which comes with the 6 LED lights, so you can easily see in a dark area. The length of the wire is around 2.5 meters. Micro USB port. And if you guys want to use this one with the Type-C smartphones, you can simply use the connector with this one, and you can use this is the, like, if you want to increase the lightning of this one, the lights which is given here, you can increase the intensity of the light from this button. Okay, so let's just download the application in the smartphone. So this is the application which is available on the Android store, AN98. We will just install this one. So this is the application AN98. We will just turn on the application and connect the camera with this one. So as you guys can see, the camera is active. If you want to turn on the light of this one, there is an adjustment available. You can simply increase the intensity of the light. If you want to find something, then you can reduce the light also from here. The length is enough if you want to put this one in a far areas, like you want to search something, you can use this one. Now let's see the application as well. The normal things, video recorder, pictures, if you want to see the result. Now let's see in the settings. If you want to increase the frames per second, you can increase the resolution and decrease the resolution from here, fit to the window. Now let's see the result of this one in the dark areas. So you guys see the result of this microscopic camera for a smartphone. I hope you guys like the video. This camera is very good for some areas where you cannot reach easily, and if you want to find something in those areas, this is the best thing. The cost of this camera is only $27. If you want to buy this one, it's available on our website. The link is inside the description. You can buy from there. And if you guys like this video, if you still didn't subscribe the channel, subscribe, press the bell icon for the new videos update. And if you want to share this video with your friends, those who need this kind of cameras, and if this video give you some information, you can still share. And if you have any kind of information, and if you want to share with us, you can comment. And if you have still any questions about this camera, you can ask me in the comment section also. Thank you very much.